This is Earth. A blue marble suspended in the black velvet of space, swirling with the breath of life and the weight of human history. All our hopes, dreams and discoveries, everything, happens on this pale blue dot, circling a star among billions. But the universe is even stranger and more humbling than you imagine. Tonight we'll venture far beyond our little world. Buckle up, your sense of scale, time, and reality is about to be stretched to cosmic limits. When you look up at the moon, it seems close, almost as if you could reach out and touch it with your hand. Its gentle glow has inspired poets, dreamers, and scientists for centuries, making it feel like a familiar neighbor watching over us each night. The moon is a constant companion in our night sky, rising and setting with a quiet, dependable rhythm. It lights up the darkness, guiding travelers and marking the passage of time for countless generations. But in reality, the moon is much farther away than it appears. At its farthest point, an astonishing 252,088 miles stretch between us and the moon, a distance so vast, it's hard to truly imagine. To put this immense gap in perspective, every single planet in our solar system, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, could fit neatly in that space, with plenty of room left over. The emptiness between us and the moon is truly staggering. Suddenly, the moon feels much farther away, and the cosmos itself seems even more immense and mysterious. The vastness of space stretches out before us, humbling and awe-inspiring. When astronauts journeyed to the moon during the Apollo missions, they crossed a gulf wider than any ocean on Earth, a silent, airless expanse that no human had ever traversed before. Yet, in the grand scheme of the universe, this historic lunar journey is just a baby step, a tiny leap across a small gap in our cosmic neighborhood. The distances between worlds are only the beginning of our voyage through space. Beyond the moon, the universe stretches on, inviting us to explore its endless mysteries and discover what lies beyond our familiar sky. Now, shift your gaze to Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Its great red spot is a storm twice as wide as Earth. 2 Earths could fit inside, with room left over. Imagine standing on the edge of this storm, looking across a churning sea of clouds. Winds rage at over 400 miles per hour, a hurricane swirling for centuries. No storm on Earth matches its scale or longevity. The great red spot is a monument to the raw power of planetary weather. Jupiter's storms remind us that other worlds are dynamic, shifting realms with their own stories. Let's drift further out, far beyond the familiar planets to Saturn, often called the Lord of the Rings. Saturn is a world that seems almost mythical, a distant giant reigning over the outer solar system with its breathtaking beauty and mystery. Saturn is 9 times wider than Earth, a golden orb cloaked in swirling clouds of ammonia and hydrogen. Its atmosphere is a tapestry of storms and winds, with jet streams racing faster than any hurricane on Earth. The planet's subtle hues shift from pale gold to muted amber, painting a portrait of serene majesty. Its rings stretch hundreds of thousands of miles into the void, encircling the planet in a dazzling display. These rings are made of countless particles of ice and rock, some as small as grains of sand, others as large as mountains, each reflecting sunlight in a cosmic dance. Imagine standing on one of Saturn's many moons, gazing up at the sky. The rings would arch overhead in brilliant bands, casting shadows and shimmering with reflected light, a sight unlike anything on Earth, both haunting and mesmerizing. Saturn is so light, in fact, that if you could find a bathtub big enough, it would float on water. Yet, despite its low density, Saturn's immense gravity commands a vast system of over 80 moons and countless pieces of debris, orchestrating a celestial ballet. The scale of Saturn is almost beyond comprehension, so grand, so alien, yet so beautiful. Its rings alone would stretch from Earth to the moon and back, a testament to the vastness of our solar system. To witness Saturn is to glimpse the artistry of gravity and time, written in ice and stone. It's a reminder that the universe is filled with wonders, waiting to be discovered and admired from afar. If Saturn's grandeur impresses you, consider this. All those giant planets pale next to our sun. Our star is a blazing sphere nearly 870,000 miles across, large enough to fit over 1 million Earths inside. Every second, it releases more energy than humanity has used in all of history. Its gravity keeps us in orbit, Its light sustains every breath we take. Yet from the edge of our solar system, it's just another pinprick of light among billions. Our sun is both creator and destroyer, serene from afar, ferocious up close. Now let's take a step back, a big step. From the moon, Earth is a small, shining orb in a sea of black. From Mars, just a bright speck near the setting sun. From beyond Neptune, Earth is barely a pixel, a pale blue dot. From these vantage points, the boundaries that divide us fade away. All that remains is our shared home, fragile and precious, floating in the cosmic dark. Every journey outward is also a journey inward, reminding us of our unity and responsibility to cherish this world. Let's talk about numbers. The difference between a million and a billion. 1 million seconds is about 11.5 days. 1 billion seconds, over 31 years. The difference is staggering, yet in cosmic terms, both are mere blinks. Our minds evolve for daily distances, but the universe demands a new kind of thinking. Visualize a billion grains of sand, a billion stars, a billion heartbeats. Suddenly, the universe's true size becomes almost unimaginable. The universe is a place where billions are just the building blocks, distances and times that challenge everything we thought we knew. Here's Earth compared to the Sun, completely dwarfed by our star's immensity. The difference in size is almost unimaginable. Our entire planet, with all its mountains, oceans, and life, is just a tiny speck beside the Sun's blazing sphere. When you see them side by side, it's a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. The Sun is so vast that 109 Earths could line up across its diameter, stretching from one edge to the other. And if you could somehow fill the Sun's volume with Earths, you'd need over 1 million of them to do it. That's how immense our star truly is. Its scale is almost beyond comprehension, making Earth seem minuscule by comparison. Now imagine standing on Mars, looking up at the sky from a world millions of kilometers away from Earth. The Sun appears smaller, dimmer, just an orange disk in a salmon-pink sky. Its warmth is weaker, its light more subdued, a distant beacon rather than the blazing presence we know on Earth. Even our mighty Sun becomes modest as you journey further from home. From the outer planets, it shrinks to a mere point of light, almost indistinguishable from the other stars scattered across the darkness. But this comparison isn't meant to diminish Earth's significance. Despite its small size, Earth is unique, a vibrant oasis in the vastness of space, teeming with life and possibility. Our world is a miracle of balance and complexity, thriving in the gentle embrace of our star. The Sun's energy sustains every living thing, creating the perfect conditions for life to flourish. And the Sun itself is just one star among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way. In this grand cosmic tapestry, both our planet and our star are extraordinary, small perhaps, but truly remarkable. The night sky is a tapestry of stars, each a distant sun. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Some stars are true giants, like VY Canis Majoris, nearly 2,000 times the diameter of our Sun. Most stars are humble, dim, and long-lived, red dwarfs that quietly outnumber the giants. Each star is a sun, many with their own planetary systems and potential for life. When you look up, remember, you're staring into a universe overflowing with possibility. Imagine holding a quarter in your hand. If our entire solar system were that coin, the Milky Way would be the size of the United States. Our galaxy stretches about 100,000 light years from edge to edge, a distance so vast, even light needs 100,000 years to cross it. We orbit quietly in a spiral arm, far from the center, among hundreds of billions of stars. Galaxies are the building blocks of the universe, vast cities of stars drifting through the cosmic night. Yet, even our enormous galaxy is just one of countless others, scattered like islands in a cosmic ocean. Finally, let's leave home behind entirely. Meet NGC 6744, a galaxy twice as wide as the Milky Way, an island of stars stretching over 200,000 light-years across. In a single Hubble image, you can see thousands of galaxies, each a collection of billions of stars. These galaxies cluster, collide, and dance across the fabric of space-time. The observable universe may contain 2 trillion galaxies or more, each teeming with stars and stories beyond imagination. The cosmos is vast, ancient, and ever-changing, and we are just beginning to explore its mysteries. After a journey from the moon to the edge of the universe, it's time to come home. The cosmos is vast beyond measure, filled with wonders that ignite our sense of awe. But amid all this immensity, one fact stands out. Earth is unique, and it's ours. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a star. Our planet, small as it may be, is a cradle of life and consciousness, a haven of blue in a universe of black. Earth.